So hello friends, today just we are going to have some practice session and we have started communicative English or spoken English at the best English classes Sitamarhi. You can watch and learn and you can also join if you wish to learn English and to excel in your life. So first we'll have some practice session with few students. We will call them. So first let me call Sakshi. Sakshi, please come here and let us give her a big round of applause. So Sakshi, are you ready? Are you ready to answer?
Yes, I am ready.
All right. So I'm going to ask few questions, few WH questions. So you have to answer them correctly. So tell the viewers, tell the audience, what is your name?
My name is Sakshi.
Okay. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Sanjay Prasad.
In which class do you study?
I am studying in 11th.
I study in 11th. Okay, she studies in 11th. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
My brothers, sisters,
I have.
one small brother.
Okay, she has a younger brother. Okay, when do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 7 o'clock in the morning.
I wake up in the morning at 7 o'clock. All right. Where do you go in the evening? I
I go park in the evening
She goes to the park in the evening. Why do you come to learn English?
because I like English.
Okay, whom do you like most in your family?
My father.
Okay, I like
I like my father.
Okay. Which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Okay, fully. Okay, so next I would like to call from boys' side, I would like to call Deepak. Give him also a big round of applause. Deepak, are you ready to answer?
Yes, sir, I am ready to answer.
All right. Deepak, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm also keeping well, thank you. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
What is your father?
My father is government teacher.
What is your mother?
My mother is housewife.
Where is your house?
My house is in Sitamarhi district.
In which class do you study?
I read in class 9th.
Whom do you like most in your family?
I like my father and mother.
How far is your house from here?
About 25 kilometer.
Why do you come to learn English?
I come to learn English because I want to visit most of the country in the world. And most of the English is international language. So if I don't know English, then how do I visit?
All right, very good. So, what is your aim?
My aim to become entrepreneur and investor.
Okay, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on 14th December.
What do you do in your spare time?
I watch the video of business coach Dr. Event Windra and play battleground game.
All right, very good. So he has also answered very nicely. So you can see these students, they have joined. Since how many days are you attending spoken English classes?
About 5 days.
So it is his 5th day attending spoken English classes at the best English classes, Sitamarhi. So dear friends, you can see or you can hear, you can watch him speaking. You can watch him speaking in English fluently with confidence. If you wish to learn English and to excel in your life, you can come and join us at the best English classes, Sitamarhi. So would you like to say anything to your viewers, those who are watching?
This is the most valuable time to learn English by our Prof. Lekha, and he is one of the best teacher of English spoken, and I thanks him to teach me English.
Thank you so much for your compliment. And dear friends, we will show you in upcoming videos that what are the activities we conduct in the classes.